Hello everyone, I'm back out in the garage for a very special edition of Race Drinks Water. As you can see, I'm in the garage, and today I'm going to be drinking this, here one sec. I'm going to be drinking the Crystal Geyser. It's the hold on, Alpine spring water, and as you can see, it's a whole gallon, which is also AKA 3.78 L's, which means liters. So yeah, this is probably gonna take a long time to drink, but I'm gonna drink this substance and then probably review it. Okay. Just a quick review of the case here. You got the front with the text. It was bottled at the source, it says. Oh yeah. It also has this handle, as you can see there. And then you can see their other text. And basically that just says that it's natural. And then you got the nutrition facts somewhere on here. Actually, no, they forgot to put the nutrition facts on here. But they do have a Facebook account. And also Blue Ridge Mountains. So, oh yeah, here's the bottom. It's pretty cool. And then here's the top. So that's the case, and I think that's everything about. The satisfying lid pop there. Alright, I've had Crystal Geyser before. This chair is kind of bad. I've had Crystal Geyser before. It's pretty good, so I'm expecting this to be like desirable to drink. But yeah, here he goes, Crystal Geyser.
Race?
Yeah?
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, making a review.
Oh, I just was worried about you. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Oh, well, we'll leave the dishes out.
Yeah. First sip. Pretty good. I wish it was a little colder, but for this heat, thermal, it's actually pretty good. So yeah, this is probably gonna take a long time to drink. Hold on. This is how far I am right now. It's probably gonna take a while, so you might want to skip some of this. Skip to the end, probably. But yeah, taste. I don't know. I'd have to drink some more actually. It's kind of hard to put a spot on this taste because, like I said, it is kind of room temperature, and so it kind of makes it taste like kind of makes it taste like plastic, but I don't know. Maybe about a 6, maybe a 7. Excuse me. It has a very high quenchability. Like, I'm not thirsty anymore. I'm only like 1% complete. So I'd say it has a very high quenchability. Yeah. And the case, I didn't actually give a number on the case. But you know, it has a handle, which is, you can't really say that about many other water bottles. And you know, it's bottled at the source, and it's a gallon. Well, that's not really the case, but it is a nice case. Like, you could reuse this case. And yeah, I think I'll give him a, just because of the handle. This is pretty, it's like ergonomic here. It's like padded, so like you don't hurt your hand when you're moving this. So I think I'm gonna have to give it a 9 in that aspect. Sure, like, of course, it's not the most flattering case, but I do like its cubical nature, and of course the grippy handle there. So for depth, this has a really high depth. Even if it doesn't taste the best, just like the way it, even after the first sip, just the way my stomach felt, I just felt like full after, even after the first sip. So I'm gonna have to, I think this might be, I'd hate to give a double digits in the depth, because that would kind of set the standard. But I mean, this is at least a 9 here. This is very, I mean, it is the deepest by like measuring in like inches that I've ever drank in on this channel. So that, it's got to have a high depth just in that aspect. I need to stand up. Hold on. This might be a more mobile review. This is going to take a long time to consume. See, it does have a nice, I've never reviewed a water's audio, but that is a pretty cool sloshy, oh, that is a pretty cool audio tone there. But back to the drinking. This might not be doable in one day, because I'm barely reaching the bottom. I don't know if I'm going to be able to drink this whole thing in one go. Okay. This is starting to hurt a little bit. So I think I'm gonna have to go and regenerate, and then I'll come back and complete another sector of the Crystal Geyser natural alpine spring water by C.G. Roxanne. So yeah, the author of this is C.G. Roxanne, if you're wondering that. Here's the barcode right there. It's a 07514000005145154 is the code there if you want to buy one of these for yourself. And yeah, so I'm gonna pause and regenerate some hunger. I'm gonna resume drinking this beverage. This is the starting point. Right there. Oh yeah, I didn't show. In the last, hold on. In the last edition, I didn't show you what the inside of the lid looks like. So now you know. But yeah. It's still not cold. I'm actually making some progress here. I'm still not gonna finish tonight. Okay, that was a lot of progress. That hurt, but I got a lot of progress on that one. But I'm not going to be thirsty anymore for a few days. Probably like 1/4 done. This is probably gonna be like an hour long video. I bet nobody's even watching it at this point. Because nobody would be dumb enough to watch this entire. Okay, that's enough for now. So, as you can see, hold up. It's probably gonna take, hold up. It's probably about 1/3 completed. So it's probably gonna take about 3 times as much time as it already has been to drink this, which would be 15 minutes in Eastern. But yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get in a few more sips here. Okay. I'm like halfway done right now. That's all I'm gonna do for now, but that's how filled up it is right now. Alright, cool. Let's go. Well, if you've made it this far, it's been about a week and a half. And the good old crystal Geyser natural alpine spring water has been completed. No more drippage. So yeah, that was the review. And okay. Depth. You know, I'm changing my previous stats because I kind of forgot. So I'm just gonna judge it on that last chug there. Okay, the chug is done. Now it's time to rate. Ignore all of the previous ratings because it's been a while and I changed my mind. That looks kind of cool. Crispiness 6. Quenchability 4. Depth 7. Visuals already said 9. I keep that one. Aftertaste 8. Price, this was $1. And it was a gallon, so $1 per gallon, which is 8. Yeah. Video done.